Imagine an electric vehicle that accelerates like a sports car, charges faster than your phone, powers your campsite, and even recognizes you with your fingerprint. Now imagine that this EV does not come from Tesla or Porsche or Rivian. It comes from Kia, and it might be the EV you did not know you wanted. Welcome to the Plug-in Report. Today we are exploring the 2026 Kia EV6, an electric SUV that continues to surprise drivers with its performance, technology, charging capability, and everyday practicality. In this video we are breaking down everything this EV offers and why it might be the vehicle that fits more needs than you expect. Let us begin with what the EV6 does best, delivering pure driving excitement. The EV6 is built on an 800-volt architecture, a system usually found in high-end electric performance cars. This setup gives the EV6 instant torques and rapid acceleration even at higher speeds. Depending on the trim you choose, the EV6 gives you up to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. That is enough to make daily driving feel noticeably stronger, smoother, and more engaging than a typical gas-powered SUV. If you want something truly extreme, Kia has you covered. The EV6 GT model pushes the limits of what an electric SUV can do. With 641 horsepower and launch mode enabled, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. That is faster than many luxury sports cars, faster than muscle cars, and faster than many EVs in its price range. Yet the EV6 GT is still an SUV with usable cargo space, comfortable seating, and real-world practicality. It is a rare combination of performance and functionality. The standard and mid-level trims are also impressive. The EV6 handles corners confidently, remains stable at high speeds, and offers adjustable, regenerative braking that lets you control how aggressively the vehicle slows down when you lift your foot from the accelerator. You can set the regenerative strength to mild, moderate, strong, or even one-pedal mode, which allows the car to come to a stop without using the brake pedal. Overall, the EV6 offers a driving experience that feels balanced, confident, and surprisingly fun. Now let us move into one of the biggest reasons people are talking about the 2026 model: charging. The EV6 now comes with the North American charging standard. This is the same connector used by the Tesla supercharger network. This upgrade opens the door to thousands of fast charging stations in Canada and the United States, giving Kia drivers access to more reliable charging locations than ever before. Combined with its 800-volt electrical system, the EV6 can go from 10% battery to 80% in about 20 minutes at a high-powered fast charger. For some drivers, this is fast enough to grab a coffee, stretch your legs, and get back on the road with more than 200 miles of additional range. This charging speed makes long road trips much easier and greatly reduces the anxiety that many first-time EV buyers worry about. But charging flexibility does not end there. The EV6 also supports powerful home charging with its 11-kilowatt onboard charger. If you plug it into a proper level 2 charger at home, you can completely refill the battery overnight. For most people, charging at home overnight means you wake up every morning with a full battery, ready for the day. Next, let us talk about something that gives the EV6 a major advantage over many competitors: the technology inside. Starting with digital key. This feature allows your smartphone to replace your car key. With your phone in your pocket or bag, you can lock the car, unlock it, and start it without ever touching a key fob. This is incredibly convenient for families or shared vehicles, because you can send access to another driver directly from the app. You can choose full access or restricted access, depending on what you prefer. On the GT line trims, the EV6 adds a fingerprint scanner on the center console. This is one of the most impressive touches in the cabin. When you tap your finger to the scanner, the EV6 recognizes you and automatically loads your personal driving settings. This includes your seat position, climate preferences, audio settings, and more. It feels futuristic and removes the need for passwords or multiple key fobs. Inside the EV6, you also get a high-quality audio experience with the available Meridian Premium audio system. This system helps create a rich sound environment that is especially noticeable during road trips. Kia also includes active sound design, an optional feature that adds artificial driving sounds to help make acceleration more engaging. While EVs are naturally quiet, this system lets you add a bit of drama to the drive if you want it. Now, let us move into driver assistance and safety, because the EV6 delivers advanced features that work in real-world scenarios. Remote Smart Park Assist lets you park or unpark the vehicle from outside using the key fob. If you have ever struggled with tight parking spaces, cramped garages, or narrow driveways, this feature becomes instantly valuable. Highway Driving Assist helps keep the vehicle centered in the lane and adjusts steering if another vehicle gets too close. It also regulates your speed on the highway and maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist brings additional safety features such as detecting potential collisions at intersections, warning you during risky lane changes, and helping steer around obstacles if necessary. Smart Cruise Control monitors traffic and automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance. If the system detects that you are not responding, it can bring the car to a safe stop. These features are designed not only to protect you but also to reduce stress during long drives. Now, let us talk about range. The updated battery pack gives the EV6 up to 513 kilometers of range, or around 319 miles. Different trims offer different range levels, but overall the EV6 delivers competitive numbers that make it suitable for commuting, long drives, weekend trips. When combined with fast charging and home charging, the experience becomes incredibly convenient. The EV6 also provides something unique that many competitors do not offer: vehicle-to-load capability. This feature lets the EV6 power external devices using its battery. You can plug tools into it at a job site. You can power lights at a campsite. You can charge electronics during a power outage. You can even run entertainment equipment at an outdoor party. Vehicle-to-load makes the EV6 far more versatile than a typical electric SUV and turns it into a mobile power station when needed. If you live in a cold climate, you know that winter can reduce range in some EVs. Kia addresses this with a standard heat pump on wind and land trims. The heat pump warms the cabin and the battery by using waste heat from the vehicle's systems rather than draining the main battery. This helps preserve range during freezing temperatures and makes the EV6 more reliable in winter. Inside the cabin, the EV6 offers a clean, modern design with plenty of space. The digital dashboard spans across the front and gives you access to all important information. The floating center console offers additional storage and keeps the interior organized. The two-tone steering wheel, gold accent trims, and high-quality materials make the cabin feel premium. Passengers get plenty of legroom thanks to the long wheelbase, and the flat floor adds comfort for the rear seats. Cargo space is generous, with up to 54 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. There is also a small storage area in the front trunk for added convenience. All of these features combine into an EV that feels complete, capable, and polished. So why is the 2026 Kia EV6 the EV you did not know you wanted? It is because it blends strong performance, long range, fast charging, cutting-edge technology, winter efficiency, spacious design, and everyday usability into one vehicle. Most EVs excel in one or two areas. The EV6 excels in many. It is fun for enthusiasts. It is practical for families. It is efficient for commuters. And it is capable for adventurers. The EV6 is not just another electric SUV. It is a vehicle that surprises almost everyone who gives it a chance. And it might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this extended breakdown of the 2026 Kia EV6, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a new review or EV update. Thanks for watching the Plug-in Report.